Spiders that keep birds away? Let's find out. Hey guys, you heard it here. Spiders that keep birds away, but not what you're thinking. Let's talk about the bird spider. This is the bird spider from Bird Be Gone that's going to keep those nasty birds off of areas you don't want them to land on. So this is how your bird spider is going to come in the package. And we're going to show you different ways to use this. So let's pull this bad boy out of here. You got the actual spider itself. Whoa, you got the directions. Who needs those? You got me. And you got the base. So what you have here is a 2-foot spider. These come in 2-foot, 4-foot, and 8-foot sections. What it does, it extends these arms and it freely moves in the wind, and it keeps birds off of those areas you want to protect, mainly those pigeons. When it floats like this, they don't like the way that this looks, and you can bend these arms, guys, to make them come down or bend them up, whatever works for you. This base right here, or this bird spider right here, comes, like I said, with this base. This is more of a permanent base. If you needed to put this on into wood, self-tapping screws into metal, or you can directly put this onto things like lights or directly onto anything per se. We install these on a lot of parking lot lights to keep the birds off, and we just go self-tappers right into that. You can also bond this with an adhesive. The E6100 is a bond that we have on the site, and it will hold this thing down really well. But you're going to want to take the rubber backing off if you're using this directly, kind of just rip it apart, or glue it to the base, glue the base down, and then screw this into the base. So different ways to play with this. When you install these, they need to overhang the area that you're trying to protect by at least 2 inches. 2 inches is going to give you that coverage. So let's say you were putting it, I don't know, on the back of this boat, because we're going to show you a boat installation. See how this hangs over the boat like this? This is what you'd want to do. So this thing would just move in the wind like this. It's not going to move that fast unless you got a hurricane, but it's going to move, and you'll see they float back and forth. Make sure they don't get tied up on each other like this. So when you first put them out, undo them all, because they're going to come tied together with a zip tie at the top, like you saw me, when I was undoing it. Now this right here is great for you boat owners out there. And as you can see, we got this on the back of a boat right now. So you got your boat and you got your bimini or your cover on like we have. This is a sand-based bag. What you're going to do, see the 3 holes right here? You're just going to place this in the area you want to protect. It comes with these self-threading screws right here. You're just going to screw them into there, and they have a nut on top. It'll come up from underneath the base. Put the bolt up underneath there. It'll come up. Poke it through the top of that. The bird spider sits like that. Tighten them down. These are made so you can bungee strap this to an area just for that extra protection. But this base is pretty heavy. I don't know the exact weight on this, but it's like a 20-pound weight. But it's a decent sized weight. So you can put these all over, and then when you're done, you just take this bird spider, you wrap it back up again like so, zip tie it together, and then stow it. And if you're stowing it on the boat, just stow it in the compartment. You're good to go. So that is the Bird Be Gone sandbag for boats and other uses. You can put that on decks and anywhere else that you just don't want to permanently mount this to. Now, if you're going to mount these in rows, because you need more than one, they need to be 6 to 8 inches apart. And that's so these arms don't bind up with the next bird spider that you put down there. So once again, guys, this is the bird spider by Bird Be Gone. You can permanently mount it with self-tappers. You can use wood screws. It comes with just multiple options, or you can bond it with an adhesive. And I would recommend the adhesive we have. It's like a silicone-based adhesive. You're going to put that down, it's going to stay. You put these down there, and you can play Freebird. Craig, howtopest.com, guys. If you have any questions, reach out to us. Please like our videos. Thanks for subscribing to our channel. And we're just happy you watch these videos. Take care.